Okay, so unit fractions. Okay, so the main idea is I will make and identify unit fractions. And the vocabulary is fractions, equal parts, whole, and unit fractions. So you already know two of these words, right? You know fractions and you know equal parts.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Okay. So a fraction is a number that names equal parts of a whole. A unit fraction names one of the parts. Okay, so let's see. The top number tells how many parts are colored. The bottom number tells how many equal parts there are. So,
well, I don't understand it.
Yeah, don't worry. Well, I'm going to read it first and then I'll go back and explain it, okay?
Okay.
So one of two equal parts is brown. One of the halves is brown. One brown part equals 1 and two equal parts equals 2. So you have 1 over 2. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay, so a fraction. We know that a fraction would be like this number here, right?
Yeah.
So how many pieces are there in total? 2, right?
So, yeah.
So the total would be how many pieces? So if we look at this circle here, there's 1, 2. So there's 2 pieces. And, okay, well, let's go by parts. So that's the fraction, right? So a fraction is a part of a whole, right? Is a number that names equal parts of a whole. So the whole would be this whole circle right here. Okay, that is the whole. Now, equal parts. How many equal parts does the circle have?
2.
2, right? So there's 2 parts and they're all equal. They're the same size.
Yes.
Okay,
They're
so
symmetrical.
They're what?
It's like they're symmetrical.
Exactly, they're symmetrical. Okay, so a unit fraction names one of the parts. Okay, so the unit fraction would be like this brown part. Okay, so it means that it's, you know, it's not talking about the whole circle. It's just talking about a piece of the circle.
Okay.
So now let's look at one of 2 equal parts is brown, right? Or I kind of see it orange, but so one part is colored in brown, okay? But there's 2 pieces. So the top number, you would put how many brown parts there are, right? So 1. And in the bottom number, you're going to put how many parts or how many pieces there are, you know, or the total amount. So that would be 2, right? 1, 2. So your fraction would be 1 over 2.